guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thank you so much for tuning in. So today I have a different video that I'm gonna show you guys today. First of all, I'm not a makeup artist at all. Like, I'm far away from a makeup artist, but there's certain things that we learn, you know, and as time goes, as you doing it all the time, it become like easier for you to, you know, to just do it. So I want to show you how I do my eyebrows. Like, guys, it's simple but very quick, especially for people that leave, you know, the house early in the morning. And I seen people like they're in a car and trying to, you know, do their makeup in a car. So this is really something, it's very easy. Within 2 minutes you should be done doing your eyebrows. So yeah, but again, follow me through. It's simple but it's good. I'm gonna show you how I do it every time, and every time I do it, it come out perfect. Like, you cannot mess this up because it's just 1 2 3. It's very simple. So if you want to know how I do it, so first thing you're gonna need is this tool. You're gonna need a pencil, like this. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna trace, and look at how pointy is my pencil. So you have to make sure that it's really pointy. So first, what we're gonna do is let me pull out my hair all the way up in the back. And then, so you're gonna look where's your eye angle is located. So mine is right there. So you just put your pencil like that, like at the corner of your eyes. Mine is right there. Okay, so you take the pencil, you're gonna trace from here all the way to the corner. See, from here to the corner. And the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take here. You're not gonna go all the way at the end, just right there, like that. You're gonna trace it to that corner, and you're gonna go down. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Boom. And now you're gonna go ahead and fill it in. This is a dark black pencil, but for people, I usually use a brown pencil, but because I'm doing a tutorial, I want to make sure that you can see how I'm tracing it, so I'm using the black one. But you can use the color that you prefer, that goes good with your skin. And then you go ahead and you fill it in, because I literally don't have brows. So I always fill in my brows. So you go ahead and fill it in. And when you fill it in, still, you're not going all the way here. You just go, you stop right there. Okay? You fill it in. And once you fill it in, and you're gonna take this, and then you're gonna spread it. Okay, and you're gonna get some of the some of the pencil, the color, you just put it in the front. Because you don't want to have the dark color all the way here. he won't look natural. You wanna have like a natural look. So you're just spreading, you know, whatever color you have here, just bring it in the front. And as you can see, I'm gonna need this. And you're also gonna need this. I'm gonna do the same thing on the top. Okay. And that's it. See this size and this one. So this one is perfect, and look at this one. Like, it's really simple and it's really quick. So just trace it, fit it in, and clean it. That's all. Really, it's simple. Like, anybody that don't know how to, you know, to do their brows, like, really, you can do it by yourself. It's simple and it's self-explanatory, it's quick, and you cannot mess it up. Like, come on, you cannot mess it up. Even you, I know those some people don't are not into makeup thing, but I think having a nice eyebrows like really brings your, even though you don't have any makeup, but once you have your eyebrows done, you just, it's just a good feeling. It's like, me personally, I cannot go out of the house without my brows, you know, being done. Like, I want to make sure that my brows is done, and sometimes I don't even need any, you know, makeup or foundation or whatever. Once my eyebrows is done and I have my lipstick on, I'm ready to go. Like, yes, I'm ready to go. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that way you'll be notified every time I post my video. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.